What's up, y'all? We got Project 50 here one more time. I done tore it all the way down. We done got all the grass, the chipmunks out of it. We done turned it from a mess into a nice, bare block that we can sit here and use. So we got it cleaned up. We got it tore down. I got the freeze plugs out of it. Let me see if y'all can see this. Maybe y'all can see that. But anyway, it's all the way down to her bare components. Ain't nothing here but a lump of cast iron. So, you know, it's time to go back with something better. You don't just leave stuff on my doorstep and think, I'm just gonna, take it apart and leave it here on my stand and let it take up space like it's my stuff. We ain't gonna do that. We got a whole host of stuff to put in here. We have some parts over here for y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna pull them all out and let y'all see them, but just to get the gist, we have us a brand new harmonic balancer going up here. We got a new oil pump. We got a new water pump. We have engine gaskets and seals for everything. We got new freeze plugs. We have new fasteners. We have rings. We have bearings. We have everything it's going to take for me to sit here and do a nice backyard blueprint on this engine. And we're going to make this whole thing a little bit harder than it was. And I didn't mean to leave these guys out. Little thing to go on top of the engine. Make it a little bit more powerful. So, we'll talk about that later on. Let's get this bottom end ready, measured up, fitted for its new suit. We're going to recondition everything, get it all set together. And we'll talk about the top part and how much power we're going to make later on. So, one more. Check it out later.